Yeah, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, a bit sad. Yeah. Ah, you are asking about this lightning bubbles. They are non-governmental and governmental organization around the world. I'm collecting them. Yes. Because there is many NGO and NGO, non-governmental organization and governmental organization. I'm just collecting the hard worker, those who are really doing their best. And I'm going to let other bubbles because they are corrupted. Yeah. Business. Money. When you ask them why, they will say, okay, to run our organization, we need money. So to collect them, sometimes we need to make some sacrifices. Yes. They sacrifice people. Just to make money. So, what is the purpose then? Governmental, we can understand that the pressure and the other governments, they impose their ideology, their politics, their things and that. It's obvious that we can't understand. We can understand these things, but non-governmental. Yeah? Red Cross. Yes, there is good people there. And also, it becomes business. So because they're making choice means there is segregation in their teams. You would say there is people in Africa and everywhere. No, this is what they show you. But the truth now. United Nations, ouch. I told you before. United Nations is dying. Needs surgery quickly, otherwise it's dying. Now many countries, they are trying to take control. Yeah, because in the past we told you, don't let any country take control. So you let USA, you let many countries like France and others. So nowadays, many countries want to be powerful, to control you, to impose their law. So where is the mistake? Yes. General Secretary. There is many things to review. We have experts, but you are afraid. You are afraid of losing United Nations. You are afraid if you will say, USA, they will say, okay, we are living, so, wow, they left. Yeah, they can do it. You know Trump, he's crazy, so he can do that. And others. So, we can say goodbye, United Nations. Because of some virus, like more than powerful, like destructive, more than coronavirus. Israel, Iran, United Kingdom, Arab United Kingdom, France, Emirates, yeah, many. Yeah, man, these days I'm visiting Algeria, so, to see, because they have new baby, constitution. And people are fighting for the new freedom Algeria. And others for corruption and power. And we have countries who are helping to maintain the power. Yeah, all of them are trying to impose themselves. Tunisia need help, yes, true. Libya, we can say goodbye for Libya. It will be like Syria, more. Yeah. When you allowed yourself to open the door to many countries in your country, and you give them power, so it will be business fights. Yeah, many years. What we should do now to protect people, civilian people, because no one controls it now. Yeah, they are divided from France, Italy, and Turkey, USA, Germany. No, Germany there. No, France. Yeah. Egypt, Algeria, Chad. Yeah, many countries. It will be like a plate. Everyone will eat from them. Yes. This is what I think. And yeah, I'm still thinking about our international organization. freedom, just free people. No hatred, no religion, nothing. Keep your belief, because it's a private thing between you and what you believe. I don't care. But what I need, how you treat me, this is the most important thing for me. When you go and you open your door and you go outside, I'm not going to ask you about your ideology, your religion, poor or rich, don't care. Just human to human. So we need to open the door for people around the world to reach their dream. Means education, those who want to continue their study, tourism. We fight against money and politicians. Let them be free to visit where they want, legally. If they want to continue their studies, help them. I hope that one day, if you have the same goal, education, science, how could the doctors, professor, the most educated people in this world cannot make a group and organize themselves and contact each other, all the universities, and help each other to avoid that? I want to continue my study in Oxford, those Harvard University, others in Germany, others in Africa, others in Algeria, others. So let's make a beautiful education, same program, where all people will be proud, because we call it science. So you say, hey, listen, we have private universities, so we need money. It's a business also. Yes, I know. When you collaborate with others, everyone will benefit. How? Yes, you can. Science for the best of this humanity. What I'm doing now, I told you, lightning bubbles, I'm collecting them, because there is many international, non-governmental organization and governmental organization. But the truth, look to my boat, there is just a few who deserve respect. I'm collecting them. Yes. Because others, they will die sooner or later. Okay, I have to go. Time to go to bed. Yes, time to go to bed. Bye-bye. Take care.